how's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make these delicious shrimp. And if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with some oil. Of course, we already have it super hot. Alright, we got our shrimp. It's these giant ones right here. Alright. The goal is to get them doraditos. It's like a crispy fried oil. We're gonna go ahead and add the sauce. And you can add as much as you like. I'm gonna turn them around, flip them. It's kind of hot out here, it's super hot. And like I mentioned, we want it to be the crispy fried. So add a little more oil. Turn it heat a little, get that crispiness and that char on it. The sauce will create the char. I'm gonna go ahead and press on it. Now let's move it away from the oil to the side. And as you guys can tell, it's not a long process. It's a pretty fast, easy process. Making the sauce is pretty easy. All you have to do is boil or rehydrate the peppers and some of the tomato, and it should be fine. Everything else is dried. Turn them around. See how you got that char right there? That's what we want. That crispy char. That crispiness. We'll press it a little more. More char here. As you can see, I added some Valentina hot sauce and some lime. That beautiful red color. So I haven't made these like this specifically in a while, so it's time for a taste test. Let's try them out. Look at that. A little charness right there. Oh, don't focus on me now. Focus on that. That's how I like my shrimp. Now imagine this with some beer, some michelada. Ooh, delicious. Man! I'm hungry. Okay, just do a little taste test. Alright. So, go ahead. Grab a shrimp. With your hand movement, it's okay. Show that shrimp. Yum. She's on her break. But anyway. Yeah. I was like, I'm gonna make some shrimp, you know, the michelada ones.
I was like, hell y'all.
Be honest. I think they're really good. I don't know.
They're good.
What? Nah, I usually make them.
Lime?
I put lime in them.
A lot?
Somewhat.
They're good. They're good. They're really good.
No, I'm starting to think they're not that good.
No, they're good. They're good.
Are they... Okay, let's rate them. Rate them for me, please. From 1 through 10.
10. It's just a little different, but it tastes good.
Yeah. What, I don't. Every time you tell me it tastes different, it's just like, what was
well,
the
because
difference?
it tastes different. It has more of something else. No.
I put Valentina in it. But you don't really like Valentina.
Oh. No, it doesn't taste bad. I like it.
Well, outside is hot.
Oh, it's fresh in here?
So, of course, me being me, I had to add some spice. because it seemed like there wasn't enough spice. So let's add the sauce now. Yep, my dog's sneezing. Okay, this invention did not work. As you can see, you don't really need that much. And a little bit of oil to get that little crisp going, you know what I mean? Oil. This is just regular vegetable oil. For these, I'm actually gonna end up adding some cayenne pepper because, like I said, me being me, it seemed like there wasn't enough heat in these, so now we're gonna add some heat. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. I think I added too much now. Okay. Get that char going. I like to be more neat about these things, but it's okay. Ooh, perfect. That's how I want it. You guys can hear me. I have a really low voice. Kind of sucks sometimes, but okay. That cayenne pepper, bro. Just add your own personal touch and you should be fine. That beautiful. Okay. What you guys have been waiting for, which is the michelada. So we got our really cold goblets here, super cold. We're gonna add the clamato, tomato juice or clamato, but I usually use the clamato. Half a lime. These are juicy limes. Tahini to taste, of course. Salt. All to taste, and chamoy, just a little bit. This is my favorite salsa for micheladas only. Good enough. Throw this on top of some ice and a good beer. Now time for the taste. Perfect. Half and half, of course, because we love that clamato up in here. Dang, I even get excited talking about this. Where was that excitement on the rest of the video? Okay, there's that. Then, our favorite of all time. I don't know, for some reason I just believe micheladas are way better with the darker beer, but that's just me. I also love Bud Light, so. But then when I drink Bud Light with michelada, I don't know how I feel about that. It just seems more, I don't know, appealing, more attractive. Oh, what's the word? What's the word we'll be using, babe?
Attractive.
You know, appealing, more, typically I would do this with some tongs, but honestly, it's okay. It's just for us. Boom. Ooh. Alright. We got some little technical difficulties, but it's okay. Look at that. I like when the heat's still coming out of them. Makes them look so good, delicious. I'm too low now. I get to the level of the food, huh? Could probably add some more. There we go. All right, let's try this. Even she wants some. Nope. Get over there. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up.